Hi everybody, welcome back to Kentish Town Kitchen. This is Jason. We're really happy to do some cooking recipes for you this week while everybody's trapped at home and coming up with different ways to use their creativity and pent up energy. So tonight, however, we visited one of our favorite restaurants in London, which is Coal Office in Coal Drop Yard at King's Cross, which is a collaboration with Tom Dixon, who's set up an incredible pop-up vegetable store and takeaway food to help the community. You can call ahead or just show up one at a time, please. Keep your distance in line, or order online. And they're doing some fresh, wholesome vegetarian, vegan, as well as non-vegetarian items, one item a day. So today we've taken from Chef Nitai some wonderful pumpkin soup, which is garnished with his Jerusalem artichoke chips, very healthy. And he's done an 8-hour roasted and stewed ratatouille. All of the vegetables are super fresh, and we're just gonna plate that in a bowl. Very simple. This is just wonderful on its own. This is a great vegetarian main dish. And one of the most delicious things they make, which is the kubala bread, which is, I guess, likened to almost like an Israeli brioche. It's absolutely, I wish you could smell it, it's absolutely heavenly. Crisp, beautiful texture, very fragrant. And in this, I've just done some yogurt, some za'atar, some salt, some chopped mint, and some tomato paste, which is really nice to just break bits of the bread off, dip it in, and your ratatouille. And that is our easy-to-go dinner from Coal Office, plated at home to look like a restaurant. Enjoy, stay safe everybody. Lots of love from Kentish Town. Thank you.